Is that better? Yeah. Okay, all right, good. I'm a very loud guy as it is. Okay, so I basically asked why on all three credit bureaus, if you're using the same scoring model, why do you get three different scores? And I said, what if Ford Motor Company was reporting to all three bureaus on my payment history? Would that be different information they're reporting? No, they're going to report the same information. What causes the scores to be different is certain companies don't belong to all three credit bureaus. So how many people here have gone to a local jewelry shop or something and got credit from that jewelry? Anybody? Okay. So does your wife know? All right, good. So let's say you went to your local place and you got credit from that jewelry store. They might only belong to training because it costs money to be a member, and right? So they just want to be able to pull that report to see. What happens is you're not on the other two reports. So even if you stop paying and you go bad on TransUnion, your Equifax and Experian won't pick that up. So you'll have higher scores on that and lower score on your TransUnion. Yeah, all right, fair enough? So here's what happens. We have a husband and we have a wife, okay? We're going to talk about mortgage lending here. It could be co-borrowers, whoever it is, all right? Hi, how are you? Good. So for the husband, give me three credit scores.
550.
Oh my God.
675. And
No, 820, that's a lot to go. Give me another one. 600? Okay, 600. Okay. Hi, how you doing, sir? For the wife, give me three scores. 750. 700. 725. Okay, so if we pulled a tri-merge credit report, and the reason why it's called a tri-merge on a single individual person is because there's three credit bureaus, right? We go to a company and they get all three of them, they merge them into one. I'm going to hand out a copy of a tri-merge credit report later. We're actually going to go through it page by page. There's only a few pages on there, but I'm going to show you a lot of things that we're talking about early in the class here. Fair enough? So you'll actually see what I'm talking about on the credit report. So you get three bureaus, you merge them into one. So three is tri-merge into one report. That's what we see when we do a mortgage for your customer. If it's a husband and wife or co-borrowers, whatever it is, we do a tri-merge report for both of them that goes into one. It's actually 6 reports into one. And I'll show you a tri-merge report that'll have all that stuff on it. So we'll see credit scores like this, okay? So here's the question. Of these 6 credit scores that are up here, husband's 3, the wife's 3, which credit score do we use if we're making a loan? Hi, hold on a second. You raised your hand. What would you like to say? The middle score for the lower. So 675 is in the middle here and 700 is in the middle over here? No. No? Who said no? What's the middle score over here? How do you know it's 600? Because that's low, that's high, that's in the middle. Not that it shows in the middle of the page. So this is there are people that think because it's in the middle, it's in the middle. And if I went to court, Judge Judy, it's in the middle. Your Honor, over here, we got 700, no, 725. And what's your name? Liat. Did I say it right? Okay, Liat. So you're saying that we would use the 725? We would use the 600? Okay, Liat. Are you in the mortgage business?
no.
Were you in the mortgage business at one time?
No, but I do a lot of mortgage.
Oh, okay, let me ask you a question. Would you like to put $1 on your answer? Let's see your dollar. There's no gambling in this casino without your money out. No cold bets.
I will double up.
You're going to double it up? All right, would you send that dollar down? She's correct. Nice answer. Perfect. She does a lot of mortgages, she said. That's awesome. So when we lend, we take whatever borrowers there are, and we use the middle score of the lowest middle score. Wow. So Do you think at 725 they might get a good rate?
Yes.
You think at 600, not so good?
Right.
Right. They might have to go FHA here where they have to pay mortgage insurance premium and all that stuff, right? Okay. So let's put our thinking caps on for a second. What do you think as a lender I might look to do?
I mean, use the white.
Did you say kill the wife? Why would you do that? Use the wife? So in other words, don't use him. That's correct. So if we go ahead and we could qualify her by herself, here's the really good part. You ready for this? He's on the deed to the house, but not on the mortgage.
However,
What? There's no how. What however? So we will look to do those kind of things if necessary. Fair enough?
yes.
All right. Let's go on to talking about... I'm going to give you a website, by the way, to go to if you want to write this down. I'm going to talk